I called him, he was working, and I called him, and he said, hey, what's up? And I told him, you know what? We're not gonna be the homeowner. I said, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I said, I'm kidding. Yes, we're gonna be the one. No, you're kidding. No, I'm not kidding. No, you're kidding. No, I'm not kidding. He started crying.
They get me and my wife, and they said, hey, you have to help. And we are jumping, yelling. Happiness, I was happy. I was like I was the center of the world. Wow. And my wife, I think she was happier than me. I served 1 year in Vietnam, but I volunteered for another year, so I went from 69 to 71. I served in Vietnam as a helicopter mechanic. Out of the army, I went back to Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico is so limited for veterans. Literally, you got veterans living on the bridges and no help whatsoever. You know,
Yes, it's
only the hospital. That's just about it. So many years you put in service, fighting for your country, helping out people that really in need, and especially the unit that I was did a lot of humanitarian service. So I always said I never deserved nothing in this world. These people, all people that need more than me, you know. So I guess that's how we all focus on that when we travel around the world and see other needy people.
This opportunity that we are receiving right now to have our dream home is amazing. We don't have any money to pay nothing of what we have received already. These people are amazing, the volunteers that comes here to help us, that they feel happy. And sometimes I say, no, don't do that, you don't need to work too hard. But they don't care, they don't pay me attention. They just feel that it needs to be in the right way. They don't care. Even I said, if you need water or something, just let me know so I can bring it for you guys. No, they just continue working.
Since the first day we met, we agreed on everything. Even in the color of the siding, they present 3 colors. And my wife said, I like this one. And they say, wow, that's the one we want too. So we agree in everything.
You know, I was born in the States, I was born in New York, I was born in the United States, and I'm like living the American dream, I could say. It's my dream come true, actually. I got a roof for my family and for my kids. That's, wow, really, that's all I can say. You know, it's still a going on dream. I don't want to wake up.
Well, I'm excited. Everything looks, well, everything is new.